Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name Moch Raditya Aruna. I study at PSI Universitas Lipi. Studi program Information System. My class 19 1A 26. Topic Introduction Opinion about smoking on campus. Today I will discuss a topic that is quite important for, for all of us, especially for those of us who are on campus. The topic is about smoking on campus as a place that should support learning, self-development, and building the future. The campus should be a clean environment and support a healthy life. We are certainly familiar with cigarettes. Cigarettes have long been a part of some people's lifestyle. However, along with development of health skins, we begin to realize that cigarettes are not good friends. Cigarettes contain various harmful substances that can damage our health, not only for smokers themselves, but also for those around them. Let's look at the health impact of smoking. Cigarettes contain more than 700 chemicals, many of which are toxic and can cause various diseases such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory disorders. For those of us who are still young and studying, it is important to realize that smoking can interfere with physical development. As students, we have the right to have a healthy and clean environment. Imagine a campus where we are not disturbed by cigarette smoke, where we can study and do active without worrying about the negative impact of smoking. Therefore, it is very important for us to work together to create a campus that is free from cigarette smoke. There are several efforts that we can make to reduce the number of smokers among students. One step that can be is to raise awareness of the danger of smoking through health campaign or workshop that discuss the negative effect cigarettes. In addition, we can also support campus policies that prohibit smoking in certain areas. Therefore, I invite all of us to create a healthier campus. Let's support a smoke-free policy on campus and application healthier lifestyle choice. With awareness and action together, we can make significant change. Our health is a valuable asset, and we all have the right to live in an environment that support our health. That's my speech. Hopeful we can all contribute to realizing smoke-free campus. Adverb of frequency. Let me introduce myself. My name is Moch Raditya Aruna. I study at BSI Universitas LIPI. Study program Information System. My class 19 1A 26. Adverb of frequency is an adverb used to indicate how often an action or event occurs. Adverbs of frequency help provide time context in a sentence so that the listener or reader can understand how often something happens. The adverb of frequency function for number 1. Explain how often an action or event occurs. Number 2. Provide information about the frequency of an activity. 3. Help clarify habits or routines. Examples of common adverbs of frequency. 1. Always. 2. Usually. 3. Often. 4. Sometimes. 5. Rarely. 6. Never. Always. In the context of adverb of frequency, the word always is used to indicate that an action or state occurs consistently without exception. Thus, always is a very strong adverb of frequency and indicates consistent habits. Examples sentence always. She always wakes up at 6 a.m. 2. I always brush my teeth before bed. 3. He always brings his notebook to meeting. 4. They always celebrate birthday together. 5. We always have breakfast at 8 a.m. Usually. In the context of adverb of frequency, the word usually is used to indicate that an action or state occurs with high frequency, but not always. Overall, usually is an adverb of frequency that indicates a common habit, but still allows for exception. Example sentence usually. 1. Alfie usually eats a slice of bread in the morning. 2. I usually go to bed before 10 p.m. 3. Usually my grandmother visits me on the weekend. 4. He usually takes a nap in the afternoon. 5. He usually orders a salad when we go out to eat. Often. In the context of adverb of frequency, the word often is used to indicate that an action or state occurs with a fairly high frequency, but not all the time. Thus, often is an adverb of frequency which indicates a habit that occurs quite often, although not always. Example sentence often. 1. They often go to the gym after work. 2. She often drink coffee in the morning. 3. He often forgets his keys. 4. We often visit our grandparents. 5. I often watch movies on weekends. In the sometimes, in the context of adverb of frequency, the word sometimes used to indicate that an action or state occurs with irregular frequency, indicating that the event might occur sporadically or at intervals. Overall, sometimes is an adverb of frequency that reflects irregularity in habits, indicating that although an action is not performed routinely, there are occasions when it occurs. Example sentence sometimes. We sometimes eat out on weekends. She sometimes goes for a walk in the evening. 3. He sometimes read a newspaper. 4. They sometimes play soccer after school. 5. I sometimes cook dinner for my family. Rarely. In the context of adverb of frequency, the word rarely is used to indicate that an action or state occurs with very frequency, almost never. Overall, rarely is an adverb of frequency which indicates that the action occurs very rarely, indicating that it is not a common habit. Example sentence rarely. 1. They rarely watch TV. 2. He rarely goes out. 3. She rarely eats sweets. 4. We rarely go to the movies. 5. I rarely stay up late. Never. In the context of adverb of frequency, the word never is used to indicate that an action or state never happened at all. Overall, never is an adverb of frequency which emphasizes that an action or state never happened at all. Example sentence never. 1. She never missed a workout. 2. Lena had never passed this road, so she was puzzled. 3. They never forget their anniversary. 4. They never visit the restaurant again after a bad experience. Tips for using adverb of frequency. 1. Understand the order in sentence. 2. Use in negative sentence. 3. Use in question. 4. Choose the right adverb. 5. Pay attention to tenses. 6. Don't use repeatedly. 7. Vary use. 8. Practice with real examples. 9. Use in description. 10. Practice regularly. The conclusion about adverb of frequency is that they are used to show how often an action is done. Examples of adverb of frequency include always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. They help provide a clear time context in sentence and are usually placed before the main verb or after the verb to be. The use of adverb of frequency is important in communication to express routines or habits. Thank you. Okay.